Hey everyone, I am so excited because my August 2018 Planner Society kit just came in, and today I'm going to show you what's inside of the kit, and then next week I'll show you how I'm going to use the contents of this kit in my Happy Planner. I love the packages that these kits come in. They're so pretty. What's great about these packages is that you could even use this paper on the package in your planner and use it like scrapbook paper. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I love the rose gold theme going on here. First we have this clear stamp, and you can change out the things to home, blessed, be kind, or use this little heart stamp. So I think I'm going to use this in my spread. If you've seen my video on how to make a pen clip for your planner, this would work really well for that. So you would just cut it down to size, and based upon the size of your pen, and then you can attach it into your planner. These are some really cute dangly planner clips, and she seems to often include these tabs, and then she has different labels like wish list, fitness, church, Facebook, Instagram. I've used these in my social media planner, these tabs. I've also used these in the sidebar as like a header. Instead of doing a header across the top of the Happy Planner, I just have one of these on the side that tells me what the section is going to be for. These are cute little sticky notes, and then some really pretty washi tape. I love the floral theme this month. This pen is so cute. It's a ballpoint pen in rose gold. And the stickers have rose gold on them. Love these little coffee mugs. This is such a cute theme this month. This town's so lame. I'm feeling so wired. It's 4 a.m. I'm not even tired. We're in. Each of these have these pretty patterns on them, and then they have a pocket inside. So even if you wanted to make an insert for your planner, you'd have to punch it on the side here. I'm gonna try to play with this and see if I can incorporate this into my Happy Planner. And I even love the backer cards because you can use this as like scrapbook paper in your planner. I've done this a few times. This is so cute, except the E is missing from home on my coffee mug, but that's okay. These 3D stickers are super cute. I think I'll use them on the dashboard for the week. Especially when something's 3D, you don't necessarily want to keep it in your planner because it's going to make the planner look bulkier. But if it's on something like a dashboard, I have a separate storage system for my dashboard, so after the week's over, I just transfer it over there and I don't have to worry about making my planner bulkier. And these are the die cuts. These are just so cute. I really love this wreath on this window. So pretty. Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through the night. And now the scrapbook paper. This is usually my favorite part because scrapbook paper can go really far in your planner. If you don't want to spend a bunch of money on stickers, scrapbook paper is a really good alternative. I'm so excited to show you next week how I'm going to be using the contents of this kit in my Happy Planner, so stick around and I'll see you next Saturday. Bye! Listen to